Hi friends, I'm Lizette from Lizette's Floral Studio, and this is my first video going out to all my clients and all my friends and all my followers. I recently launched my business and I am thrilled that I've had such a great response, and now I want to share my knowledge and share tips and tricks, and so here I am. This is Lizette from Lizette's Floral Studio. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about a plant that I love. It's the orchid. A lot of people are scared of orchids. I tell them that it's a great house plant, and they go, no, all I know how to do is kill plants. But this is one hardy friend that could be with you for years. I've had some that I've had for many years, and they bloom. Sometimes only once, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times a year. And what's wonderful about it is that their blooms don't just last a few days. They last several weeks at a time. For my birthday this year, I had all of my orchids kind of come up all of a sudden. And my birthday's coming up in March. And look at that. This is a beauty, just a beauty. Some I've had for years, and those I keep for myself. But I buy these from a local grower here in, well, not in Tennessee. I'm in Tennessee, but they're in Georgia. And she brought me these, and I just think this is so beautiful. Look at that detail. The flower is not very big, but it's a beautiful flower. And this one has 2 stalks. We call that a double bloom. A double orchid. So my friends, I will show you what I do to pot these for clients, and you certainly can do it yourself if you buy a nice specimen like this. Sometimes you can find really good buys at Trader Joe's or your local nursery. The thing with that is that you just don't know what you're getting at these big stores. But from a local grower, you know that you get something that's been well taken care of, and at a nursery that just deals with orchids, you know they're gonna give you good specimens. So today we're going to take a simple box. You can't always find these at a regular store when they're lined. I love this. You can find this at a wholesaler. But sometimes you can find the box and line it with something that will keep the water from going through. And it's not because you're going to water the orchid in here. I'm going to show you how to do that, how to take care of that later. But today we're going to have a fern orchid combination in this box.